Hi, let's take a breath first. Most of what you just inhaled is nitrogen. It's been around us for over 4.5 billion years. But back when Earth was first forming, this nitrogen almost disappeared. Back then, Earth grew under violent molten conditions, constantly being bombarded by giant space rocks. And under these conditions, elements were sorting themselves. Iron, heavy elements like iron, sank and formed the core, while lighter elements stayed near the surface. If this sorting had gone any differently, say if our nitrogen was trapped in the core, we wouldn't have an atmosphere to support us. We wouldn't be here. Think of it like you're baking a cake. You can have all the right ingredients, but put them in the wrong order or at the wrong temperature, you get a disaster, not a dessert. In my lab, what I do is I don't just look at Earth, I rebuild it. I take the raw ingredients that form Earth, I take the raw rocks and metals, put them into a planetary oven, a machine that essentially recreates the intense conditions associated with a growing world. And under these conditions, I then add nitrogen at different times and evaluate how the end result changes. Basically, I'm going back in history. I'm trying to rerun the birth of our planet to see if we can identify the right ingredients or the recipe that forms a habitable world. Perhaps we can wonder, look at the stars and see if there is a habitable world out there where someone else is taking their very first breath. Thank you.